औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा अफ़्तह अलैना हिकमतका वंशुर अलैना रहमतका या ज़ल जलाली वल इकराम अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्अलुका इल्मन नाफ़िअन व अमलन मुतक़ब्बिलन व रिज़्क़न तय्यिबा. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you are doing well. Okay, now today we are going to learn about how to create a worksheet related to Excel. Okay, now I want to assess my students, so I'm going to create worksheets. So let's first of all open Microsoft Excel, click on start, write Excel, and it will be appear at the top of your program over here. Then after that, what you need to do, this file will open in front of you. Okay, you need to select the blank project, it will appear like that. Now I want to take a screenshot. So on my keyboard there is a Fn function key. When I will press and hold and one time take a screenshot, print screen, I'm taking the screenshot. This is one way to take the screenshot, print screen. In some system we have only print screen button on the keyboard. On the top right corner you can see this written PRTSC or insert PRTSC screen. Using that you can take the screenshot. Let me show you that. Keyboard, virtual keyboard, on screen keyboard. Let's see we have here that key or not, but this is screenshot, PTR screenshot. Okay, I'm using this key along with this key to take the screenshot. Press, hold, and one time print screenshot. Done. Now let's open a Word document. I have already opened over here Word document. Now here I will just paste it, change the page orientation, click on page layout, then go to the orientation, select landscape, select it. Now here you need to do Control V, just right click here, or just paste it over here. Right click, mouse right click and paste that. We got it? Yes. So on the bottom left corner, can you see this is a zoom slider? Right now it's selected 160. I'm going to change that so that I can see my screen. Okay, now look better. Fine. Let me close this navigation tool. Okay, now here we are. Now I want to, first of all, I want to crop the unnecessary part from my document. So I will click where? Click on image. When you click on image, let me click over here, deselect this. When you deselect the image, it means that you haven't selected yet. There is no any format tab will appear over here. Okay, it's not appearing any format tab. Whenever you click any image, click on any image, it will appear automatically. Can you see here? Format tab will appear. Now deselect again, it will disappear. Now click on image again, it will appear. Now click on it on the format. Using format tab you can apply different picture styles over here like that. Can you see this? We will learn later on. Chalo quickly, we have covered this. I want to remove the unnecessary part, so click on crop. In the size group, click on crop after selecting your image. Now I want to remove the unnecessary part from my document, so I don't need this keyboard, so I will click over here. Done. Okay, got it. Okay, now I want to move the document. Right now it's not moving down. I'm trying to move this, drag down, but it is not moving down. So I click here. Can you see here? Layout option. I will find from here the format tab. In the wrap text, click on the small arrow, then select it. Now I can move my text, move my image easily anywhere in the document. I can even resize this. Okay, decrease, increase. Now I want to stretch, little stretched, so that it will be visible for the students when they will perform this activity. Okay, now what's next? Now I want to create a question in which student will label the following. Okay ji, let me write a question over here. Question. Be patient, it will take some time if you want to learn this. Question number, it's a question number 1. Okay ji, label the following. Okay, and it carries how many marks? Let's suppose okay, 10 marks. Okay. And now I want to save my document. Then I will select computer, click on browse. Now I will give a name over here, quiz MsExcel 2021 for class, for level, let's suppose level 5. Click on desktop, create a folder here. I will write here assessments for computing assessments 2021. On that, done. Click on save. Now let me label the following. So click on insert. Now I want to pick different shapes, arrows, so it will tell me. Okay, first of all I'm clicking on here. What is the meaning of this one? So when I will draw this arrow, these options will appear in the format tab. So let me change its color and its thickness. Black one is good, fine. Ye hoga. Then student will write over here what is this thing. This is called title. So student will write title over there. Now I need to copy and paste this, and I want to pick this one. And what is the purpose of this one? Then student will type what is the purpose of this one. I will click over here. Let me select this, Control C, Control V. Click here, change its position. So I want to write over here. Oh, not here. Okay, fine. यहाँ कहीं पे, ठीक है. Do undo है. Control C, Control V. Then purpose of this one. Whenever you make mistake, you need to click here. It will undo that whatever you have written there, and the redo दोबारा से वही लेके आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So इसके लिए मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक कर देता हूँ. Student will write over here. Okay, let me make it visible ताकि बच्चे कुछ ये ना कहेंगे sir it's not visible. Okay जी. Now let me click again over here, Control C, Control V. Okay, then I will ask from my students what is the purpose of this long bar. What is the purpose of this long bar? And this is a formula bar where you will type the formula. Okay, our formula will appear whenever you click on these cells. The formula will appear in the formula bar. Okay, what is the purpose of this thing? Which one? On the left side, on the left side of the formula bar here it is. This is called self-reference, and it is also known as name box. Using name box, you can locate any cell. For example, I want to locate M7. I will simply type over here M7 and press enter. It will take me over there. So what's next? What's next? Okay जी. Now here I want to click here. What is the purpose of this one? बच्चे यहाँ पे कुछ टाइप कर देंगे. Actually I'm pointing at the font group. It is a font group. In font group we have multiple these options here, tools here that we can use. Okay, then I can ask from my students. What is the purpose of this format painter? Why we need this format painter? The purpose of format painter is to copy the format, not the text. Control C, you can copy the text, but using format painter it will only copy the formatting, for example colors, styles, bold, italic, underline, writing style, font size. It will copy like that, all these things. Okay, then we have very interesting control C, control V. Then let me click here. What is the purpose of this square box? Student will write over here. Okay, then let me click something else. Control C, control V, copy this. Now I want to ask from my students about, yes, this thing. Why we need this one? Although it's written there, it's alignment. In alignment group we have merge and center cell, wrap text. Okay, then these are called alignments. Text alignment, it will move your text left, right and center align. So student will write over here, it's the center align, it's pointing towards the center align, aligning your text to the center. Okay, now important thing जी, where is the important thing? This one तो मैंने पूछा ही नहीं. Number 5, what is, it's not number 5, it is called row. Number represent rows and these alphabets represent what? Columns. ठीक है, done till here. Okay, now what else? Cell रह गया. Control C, control V. Now I will type over here and I will ask from my students ki please write here, what is this rectangular box. Now I want to write answers. Done, exercise done. I've created this. बहुत ज़्यादा बन गए, it's fine, कोई बात नहीं, और भी हम इसमें बहुत कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, now this is for student and the teacher learning. Okay, let me insert text boxes. So here's the text box. Using this text box I will create some space here where I will write that what is this? Cell. It's a cell and the address of this cell is, it's a cell. I can even write address of this cell is F, column F and the row 7. Yes, right, this is the right address. Okay, okay, then what is this? Let me use this draw text box and I will write answer for here. This is called row. I will write here row, stretch down, done. Okay, then what is this? It is a name box. This is called name box. I will write over here name box or cell reference, or we can say it's a cell reference. It will tell you the cell reference, cell address, yeah, cell address. Okay, font group name. And what is this? Format painter. It's written there, format painter, format painter. Done. Okay जी, कितने हो गए मार्क्स? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. मेरे ख्याल में 13 बहुत है. Emergence center 13 and let me add one more. Yes, let's do this. Control C, control V. एरो आ गया. Emergence center भी तो है ना. It will merge the cells and then give you a one big cell. It will merge different cells. अच्छा जी, it is called emergence center. And I will write here and I will write here, it's called merge and center. Merge का meaning क्या है? It will combine two different cells, two or more different cells. Merge and center, और आपके center में आपको अप्लाई करके दे देगा. Let me show you how you will merge and center. Just select the cell. I have selected these cells. Now I want to click here in the alignment group, click on merge and center. Multiple option है हमारे पास, but I will use this one, merge and center. Can you see? Now we have only this big cell. हाईलाइट कर दूं, इस पे बॉर्डर ड्रॉ कर देता हूं ताकि आपको नजर आ जाए कि ये एक सेल बन गया है। बाय मर्जिंग दिस सेल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 I have merged 7 cells and now I got only one single cell here where I can write my name. My name is Khan. Okay, sorry. Can you see here? No, it's clear. Margin center clear. Okay, good. So let's go back. Okay, और क्या रह गया? Let me give a bonus to my students. So I want to give a bonus to my students. So bonus marks. This is a bonus marks. This one. Piece of cake. I want to give this cake to my student. This one. Means what is the purpose of this cross? Cross mean close the document. Let me increase the width of this cell. Close कैसे लिखें? अच्छा सा. Close the document. Okay, thank you very much. My worksheet is ready here. So इसको मैं बोल्ड कर लेता हूँ. Let me select this one. इसके मार्क्स चेंज कर लेता हूँ, लेकिन ये आपके लिए क्विज बन चुका है. लेटर ऑन वी कैन सेट दिस. ठीक है, मैं इसको छेड़ना नहीं चाहता. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल के अंदर यूज करेंगे. नो, आई विल यूज दिस इन माय क्लासरूम. यस, इंशाल्लाह आई विल यूज दिस. ओके, लेट मी सेव दिस. क्लिक ऑन फाइल and now save the document. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please comment, give me your suggestions and subscribe my channel. I need your support. Allah Hafiz, take care, good luck.